Everybody poops, but how do I do it on a cruise ship? Don't worry, it's not that complicated. Step number 1, choose where you're going to go to the bathroom. Are you going to return to your stateroom, which some people prefer, or are you just going to go to one of the public bathrooms? Every cruise ship that I've ever been on has had public bathrooms on every deck, so sometimes it's easier just to go into one of those than to return all the way back to your stateroom. No matter where you choose to use the bathroom, the toilets function the same, so don't worry about trying to use a different toilet in the public bathrooms than in your stateroom. Step number 2, do your business. Please remember that the pipes on a cruise ship are not the same plumbing that you have at home, and they need gentle care. Do not put anything in the toilet other than human waste and toilet paper. That's no diapers, no wipes, no feminine hygiene products, nothing but your human waste and the toilet paper the cruise line provides. Step number 3, close the lid. Whether you're used to doing this at home or not, please close the lid. This is not an optional step when using a cruise line toilet. Step 4, now that your lid is securely closed, you may press the button that's on the back of the toilet or on the wall of the toilet. This is going to be extremely loud, so if you have a child or if you yourself are noise sensitive, maybe wear some headphones, cover your ears. It is very loud, like a vacuum. It's kind of like an airplane toilet. And that's it. You successfully used the toilet. Go wash your hands and continue on your cruising fun. If you like this video, please go watch this one here because I think you'll like it too.